Are you having one of those days where you want to skip your workout? Don't do it. Do this instead. You don't even need shoes. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel. And today we've got an awesome workout. This is a little snippet that I pulled from my fitness membership community, Total Body Transformation. This workout requires no equipment and not even shoes, which I love. This is the definition of an excuse-proof workout, and that's what we all need, right? So just say yes, stick with me, let's get ready to sweat, and I will see you on the other side. Make sure you come back because I've got something good for you. All right, we're gonna start right into it. So you can either start with low impact jacks like so, or go right into some more impacty jacks. Now, we're not doing a traditional warm up here, and you might be thinking like, what? But don't forget, we are warming up our body here by moving as we are right here. So, you know, go easy, go light on your feet. You hear I don't even have shoes on, so make it work for you. But this is a fantastic warm-up. It's just regular old jumping jacks, or like I said, step out jacks. You're not cheating by doing low impact, trust and believe, okay? Whatever works for you. Breathing here, getting that body ready to go and getting right into it, right? And that's what we want. A couple more seconds like this. Whew. Very good. Okay, good. So we're gonna go into a squat here. So parallel legs and feet. Weight back into your heels, squat back, booty out, twist. Booty out, twist. Alternating sides here, really squeezing the waist. Good. Squat back, twist it. That's it. Keep drawing in the belly here. Twist. Squat it, twist it. That's it. We've got it together here. Excellent. We're banding together, right? We'll get into that band in a little bit. Good. Keep going. That's it. Really get that weight back into your heels. Keep your chest up towards me. And when you twist, really get into that rotation. So we're getting those obliques too, right? Back and twist. Back, twist. Feel those legs starting to say, oh, hi. I'm feeling warm. We're doing it. All right, good. So next up, we're gonna go into a butt kicker run. Low impact version is just getting those heels up. You'll feel that hamstring start flexing, or go right into a light, easy run here. Really get those heels up towards your booty, okay? Squeezing here, whew. Feeling the love. Oh yes. We're gonna do this cardio section 2 times, so you get one practice run and then one to really make it happen. I love doing these barefoot cardios like this because it just reminds me to go easy on my feet and on my joints. But if you felt like, oh girl, I need shoes, no problem, grab your shoes. It's totally fine to do it with sneakers. Good. Whew. Pick up your pace, really breathe here. Remember to smile, it helps. I know it seems so weird, but it really does work. Good. All right, awesome. So next, we're gonna go into a side lunge, boom, side kick. Same side. About 30 seconds on each side. Boom, have a target, okay? What are you kicking away? Boom, what are you getting rid of? Good, get rid of it. Woo. Awesome. Little kickaroo. Good. Couple more on this side. We'll go right into the other side. All right, good. I'm gonna scooch over a little bit. Here we go. Down. Kick it. Woo. Down and kick. It's really good to test your balance with moves like this, okay? It helps you to really engage that core. That's it. We've got it. Boom. Awesome. Good, keep going. Breathing here. You got it. Woo! Good, okay, good. Right back to the start, so low impact or go for it. Full minute intervals. I know, sometimes you don't love them, but it's really important, and that's why TBT works so well, is that I challenge you, right? That I challenge you, and when we're doing a 1 minute interval, it's a little bit more endurance, right?
And we're only doing it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So breathe here. Good, halfway. Abs are in tight, shoulders down our back. Good. Keep it moving here. Now you're warm, right? So give it all you got. That's it. A few more seconds. We can do it together. We are banding together. Yes, yes. Woo. The tribe that sweats together smiles together, right?
I told you, you're always going to feel better from a workout that you did. Think about it. Sometimes we get into that cycle of guilting ourselves. I should be doing this. I should be doing that. I should be doing that, right? But it just isn't realistic for our life and our lifestyle. So I've got something really special for you. If you are over 40 and you are a woman like me that wants to debunk this myth of what it means to be a woman in her 40s, her 50s, her 60s, or beyond, then you'll want to join me for my brand new free masterclass, Fit and Fabulous Over 40. We go through the biggest mistakes that you probably don't even know that you're making when it comes to getting fit, and I give you my exact framework so that you can feel your most fit, your most fabulous at any age. So I want to see you over there. The link is up here in the cards, down in the description box as well. But if you want to keep a little bit more workout going, make sure to join me over here for this 5-minute standing abs workout. I love doing standing abs because, again, excuse proof, you don't need to get down to the floor. So I'll see you over there, and you're the best.